Hello guys, well Lee here again. Well, there's people I want to send is people who spend top dollar buy a MacBook then install only Windows Sunlight afterwards complain about the speed, the power consumption, and the overheating. Well, they probably know that the Mac is designed with the software hardware integration. That's why it's awesome. That's why it's pricey. So today let's talk about how you can get your best audio experience, with your Android phone and dongle, which is the Hiby music in exclusive mode. I guess let's start. Well, to have the best audio experience, we need to have the software and hardware integration. For hardware, we already have the dongle. Then for software, we have awesome streaming service now like Apple Music, and we have Sony Music with streaming audio even in high-res format. Is that the best we can do? Well, we all know that Android has this infamous SRC problem, which is, in your app, in your OS, even in your driver. And Hiby can bypass the first two in their exclusive mode because you are directing all your audio resource into the one app. It's like sort of you are working, you have your phone turned off, your kid, your wife won't be calling you, so you won't be interrupted. So your performance is better. Don't tell my wife I said that. I guess it's better to hear it, right? So let's have Terry show us how different they are. Wow, the difference for me is, big. Because in exclusive mode, you have better dynamic, better layering, and better detail, even cleaner sound. I guess it's, even have better, different kind of volume control. So, but one thing I need to say is that not all dongle works with all Hiby music with all phones, so it's like it mostly works in exclusive mode. Sometimes it doesn't, and the ones that don't work before might get supported after Hiby updates. So I guess this is something we should actually share more, and when we talk about dongles, we should be detailing our version of the phones, our version of the Hiby music to tell people if it's supporting the exclusive mode. I guess that's it for today. Next video, you actually hear our mega dongle. I guess till next time, bye bye.